Title: 7 AI Tools Indians are using in 2026. Most people use them wrong. Hook, Zero News Toto 7. Almost everyone in India is using AI tools the wrong way. I tested 7 popular AI tools people are using in 2026, and most workflows are completely broken. Authority: 0.07025. This video is not sponsored. These tools are tested from a real work and productivity perspective, not hype. If you work, freelance, or run a business, this will save you hours every week. Tool 1. Writing and Thinking, 0.25 to 125. Most people use AI like a search engine. That kills its real power. AI works best when you think in systems, not questions. Tool 2. Notes and Second Brain, 125 to 25. Random notes don't help. Connected thinking does. Losing ideas costs more than people realize. Tool 3. Automation, 225 to 325. This is where AI saves money, not just time. If you repeat something daily, it should not be manual. Automation is silent income. Retention loop, 325 to 335. Tool number 5 is misunderstood by almost everyone, and it's the most powerful one here. Tool 4. Design and Presentation, 335, 435. AI design tools aren't about creativity anymore. They're about speed and clarity. Clear ideas beat beautiful designs. Tool 5. Voice and Video AI, 435, 535. This category exploded recently. You can create content and training without cameras or studios. This is how faceless businesses scale. Tool 6. Business and Freelancers, 535 to 635. These tools help with proposals, emails, and planning. Manual effort does not scale. Systems do. Tool 7. Underrated tool, 635, 725. Very few people in India use this correctly. It's boring, but it quietly saves hours every week. Summary: 725, 810. Stop chasing tools. Build workflows. Tools change, systems compound. CTA, 810, 850. I'm creating a free AI workflow starter kit with the exact setups I use. The link is in the description. Close, 850, 905. In the next video, I'll show how I automated my daily work using AI step by step. Subscribe for practical AI, not hype.